Good luck.
Last
Super
round,
points,
everybody.
Top 4 answers are on the board. Saang place o lugar bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata? Tris,
Yeah, it's what I said.
nandiyan ba?
Yoshi, is it there? Yoshi!
Shafi, pwede
How about
ba?
in a library, in
Place o
school?
lugar bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata, Shafi?
Cinema.
Cinema.
That's only a few. That could be number 4.
Wait, wait.
Ah!
Prince, pass or play?
Play.
Yoshi, let's play!
Ready na tayo. Erica, are you ready?
Yes,
Saang
super.
place o
Come
lugar
on,
bawal
we're
mag-ingay
ready.
ang mga bata?
Library.
That's what I said.
Sabi ni Erica yung library. Ito niya, 2 na lang, ha? Saan lugar o place bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata?
School.
Sa school.
A school, come on. Don't you think they're the same as library? Unless they have two different meanings. Wow, that's it. Classroom.
For the win, isa na lang. Saan place o lugar bawal mag-ingay ang bata?
Sa office.
Sa office.
Yes, yes.
Siguro pag nagibisita ka, sa office ng iyong mami o daddy, nandyan ba ang office? Wala.
Sayang.
Prince, we got one more chance. Ano kaya? Saan place kaya o lugar bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata?
Cemetery.
Sementeryo.
I don't think so.
Kasi magigising sila.
Maybe that's just a belief.
Sementeryo. Oh, wala. It's okay. Erika, for the win. Saan place o lugar bawal mag-ingay ang bata?
How about in a bedroom if people are sleeping? Ow!
Okay. Aha. I got this. Sabi ni Aljon, I got this. All right, Shafi, bawi, bawi. If you get this right, then you're gonna win. Saang place o lugar bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata?
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Come on, the bedroom.
Hugo.
Yes.
Sa may nagtutulog.
Sa may natutulog.
Yeah, that's what I said. The bedroom. It's just the same. Same as Safi.
Saang lugar kaya bawal mag-ingay ang mga bata?
Pag may natutulog.
Oh, come on. They're just the same. Everybody agrees with that. And therefore, meron yan. Sabihin mo na. Bedroom where people take a nap. And therefore, it's there.
Natutulog po.
Sabi ni David.
Meron yan.
Pag may natutulog, so I assume sa kwarto na lang natutulog. O, tingnan po natin. Nandyan ba ang pag may natutulog?
Meron yan for sure. Ah! Lol, that was so weird.
Hindi nakuha. Number 4.
What?
Hospital. Dahil dyan ang ating final score.
Sayang.
Athletic 409.
Good try, kids. But maybe if you talk about a hospital, that's where also people get to sleep.
Copy.
But you're getting closer anyway, right?
Natin sila. Copy.
Yoshi, that was a close one. I thought I was gonna get it.
Mag-uwi pa rin kayo ng 50,000
Yeah,
pesos.
I agreed to, because that was so close. I said a place where people sleep. Therefore, it must be quiet when people take a nap, especially when Netnuts is there.
Nanalo na kayo, ha? Okay. Anong feeling nanalo